Hello, my sugar plums. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make another hair stick. Now, this time we're going to be using just one, the regular one with no fancy, not a comb-like, but just a regular wooden hair stick. We're going to be making like a magnolia flower a hair stick, so it's gonna be pretty simple and pretty easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you watch the whole process, guys, and then I'll jump back at the end to close up. But basically it's super easy. Just follow along with the video. If you want to make the same one, it is extremely easy. All you're gonna be needing is some wires. Of course, you're gonna need a resin, UV resin, and resin dip if you have that. But if you don't, you can just use tape on the backing and then just use your regular UV resin and then cure it. But if you have UV resin dip, this will make your life a lot easier when you just kind of dip it and then cure it. But if you don't have that, that's not a problem. I am using Judiction resin as well as the UV resin dip. Everything that I use is gonna be in the description box below. Make sure you check that out if you want to use the same product. I also will have everything inside the Amazon link store. So everything that I use, I always put them in the store, so for easy access for everybody else. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just follow along with the video, and I'll come back at the end to show you the final result. All right, guys. right, guys, so that's it. I pretty much finished the whole thing. I'm just finishing putting the, the finishing touch on it. I'm adding a little bead at the end of the hair stick so I can stick out, my little dropping flower bud and two other link on it. Now it's quite easy. It's very light. It's not heavy at all. It's super, super light, and I absolutely love it. You guys know that purple is my favorite color, so I made this one just for me. And this is the finished result. I absolutely love the way it look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber yet, guys, go ahead and help me out and subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow a little bit more. And also don't forget to like the video and share it with your friend and family. And if you're new here, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Something I like to do. It's fun for me. So thank you again for being here. And if you're no subscriber, again, you're here. Thank you so much for being here once again. I love you guys so very much. I'll see you on the next video, guys. But until then, you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. Bye. Mwah.